My name's George Hammond and I studied a Bachelor of Science majoring in chemistry. I chose it because in high school I did a few science units. I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do, but I was always interested in chemistry. It gave me a lot of the hard skills that I need to do a job. The Winter Research Scholarship Program really cemented what I wanted to do because I got to actually do research, experience it, and see how impactful it can be. It made me feel confident about applying for this job and entering this role because I had all this theoretical knowledge and general practical skills. What people think I do is mix a bunch of colorful chemicals together, things are exploding, I'm doing all these reactions to make cures for all these diseases because it's a pharmaceutical company. But in reality, my job's more about quality and consistency. I wanted to continue doing research, and if I was going to do that and start my career, I needed a job local and that was flexible and that can support that. What makes me proud to be part of a Western community is that they focus on real-world impacts. I worked on a lot of projects that were trying to tackle significant issues, some related to climate change, some projects were trying to catalyze carbon dioxide in a more efficient way. I actually do a Masters of Research part-time at Western as well. I'm hoping that I can shift towards the research side of science because that's where my interests lie. Being able to work safely with chemicals seems pretty general, but it's very important because every manager will ask you about it. Also, just things like communication, problem solving, critical thinking is very important in every job. Any experience just forces you to develop those skills naturally. Do what you think is right, go with your instincts, and you will figure it out.